Dear students, today we are going to discuss regarding handling of prescription. I am Hemant Kumar Chauhan, Senior Lecturer from Principal K. M. Kundanani, Pharmacy Polytechnic, Ulhasnagar. Steps involved in handling of prescription. There are different steps involved in the handling of prescription like receiving, reading and checking, collection and weighing of material, compounding, labeling and packaging of the material. In the steps involved in the handling of prescription, the first step is a receiving. When you are present in your pharmacy, a patient is coming to you with a prescription, how you should receive it, how you should greet it. That is the first step involved in receiving. The first thing, you should be received, that prescription should be received by pharmacist only. When you are receiving the prescription, greet the patient with welcome gesture like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you sir, how can I help you. Likewise, should not show any facial expression that is different than what the usual expressions are. It will create a doubt in the mind of patient that I'm suffering from such an illness that I'm not going to get cured. So he will be in a tremendous pressure with that, and he may not visit your pharmacy again. Therefore, whenever you are greeting, you are meeting the patient, then don't show any facial expression except a smiley face or a proper greeting. Should not give any advantageous gestures. Many times, different categories of patients may come to you, maybe a male, female, or any others. Looking at the patient, you should not show any advantageous gesture which create the doubt in the mind of the patient. The second steps involved in the prescription is the reading and checking. As the prescription comes to you, your duty is to check the prescription whether it is written in the proper format or not. It is according to the laws what the format is given for writing a prescription, it is given or not. Read it carefully and see that where there is any error are there in the prescription or not. If any doubt about the prescription in your mind, looking at the prescription that there is error, you should be discussed with the fellow pharmacist first so that you can rectify there only if it is not to be. If any error is seen which you cannot change it at your own, you should refer back to physician or you should consult a physician for change in the prescription. Should not try to change yourself there because it again create a problem with relationship of physician and the pharmacist. The third step involved is a collection and weighing of the material. Nowadays there are the modern prescriptions are there. In ancient time, previous time, there was a Latin prescriptions were there, there was a compounding aspect were there, where you need to collect the all material from the left side of the weighing balance. Means you have to go to the shelves, get the ingredient from there and keep it to the left hand side of the weighing balance. Weigh the ingredient of formulations according to the formula given by the physician. keep the weighed ingredient on the right hand side of the balance. Means unweighed ingredients are on the left side of the balance and weighed materials are on the right side of the balance. You have to keep it. Then the step is a compounding, labeling and packaging. Whatever ingredient you had taken out of the shells, you kept it to the left hand side of the balance, you weighed them, and the weighed ingredient you have kept on the right hand side of the balance. Now taking those right hand side of the balances together, they are mixed together according to formula to prepare a dosage form. So if you given a liquid formulation, you prepare a liquid formulation. If you given a formulation for uh, tablet, you prepare a tablet. A pill, you prepare a pill. According to formula given by the physician, you have to prepare the dosage form. After preparing it, fill it into the given container or required container and label it properly. The label should be written by neat and clean handwriting because it should be easily understandable to the patient, because if the labeling is not proper, it will create confusion in the mind of patient again. To overcome that, you need to prepare the label in a neat and clean handwriting to easily understand the patient. Dosage form should be packed in proper package according to the requirements given by the physician or according to requirement of the dosage form. You have to pack them in a proper pack and label them according to it.